Hi there, and welcome to Storytime with Kay. Today we will read It's Raining Tacos by Parry Gripp with illustrations by Peter Emerich. This book was published by HarperCollins in 2021. It's my birthday. It's going to be great. Birthday with pizza and cake. All my friends will come to celebrate. Yay, it's my birthday! For my birthday, I got a new pet. A doggie. Oh, she is the best. The biggest, fluffiest pooch that I've ever met. A dog for my birthday. It's my party, outside in the sun. We play games, we jump, and we run. Prizes and fun for everyone. What a great party. Oh no! No, 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 no! Doggie, what did you do? Oh! Oh no! No, 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 no! Not the pepperoni too! Oh! Oh, it's my birthday. What can I do? There's cake and happy birthday to you. Do birthday wishes really come true? I'll make a wish for my birthday. I blow out the candles. What is that sound? Thump, thunk, on the roof really loud. Look outside. What's that on the ground? It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese. It's raining tacos. Yes, it's my birthday. It turned out great. Birthday, we ate tacos and cake with my friends and my dog to help celebrate. Yay, it's my birthday. The end.